Okay, bring it back another 2 feet. Easy now, easy. And stop. We are clear to open the gates.
Easy now, just keep moving forward. All right, bring the next ones up slowly.
Check the thermal readings on the dorsal area.
Reading normal at 38.5. The system confirms a healthy status. Heart rate and respiration are stable. Temperature is 38.5.
Noted. Updating the record now. We are ready for the next one.
Scan complete. Looks healthy. Apply the green tag. Marked as cleared. Syncing data now. Gently now. Keep moving forward. Stalls are locked and checked. We are clear to begin.
Easy now, nice and easy. You're doing great. Just a little longer, almost done.
Clean red and white cows are moved to a drying and resting zone. Air circulation systems help in quick and safe drying. Workers ensure animals are comfortable after washing. Hides are placed into rotating tanning drums inside the factory. Natural and synthetic tanning agents are added carefully. Machines rotate slowly for deep penetration of solution. Tanned hides are moved into a controlled drying chamber. Air circulation systems ensure even drying across all sheets. The leather becomes stronger and more stable in texture.
Is this batch ready for the stitching line? Yes, I've checked the edges, they are precise.
To bleeds. Strong rubber or leather soles are attached to upper parts. Industrial pressing machines ensure tight bonding. Workers
These shapes are perfect for the premium comb design.
and the damaged ones go straight to recycling.
Horns are placed in controlled softening tanks. Warm water and natural solutions are used for flexibility. This makes material easier for cutting and shaping.
Softened horns are cut into manageable sections. Industrial cutting machines ensure precision and safety. Workers
Fine teeth of combs are cut using precision machines. Spacing is controlled for smooth usability. Workers inspect alignment of each comb carefully. Edges are given final polish and detailing. Workers refine design aesthetics manually. Each comb is checked under bright lighting.